evening and welcome back to my channel. I'm Emily if you're new here, and today I'm going to be doing an updated everyday makeup tutorial using only 3 products. So this makeup tutorial is going to be ideal for summer, holiday time, where you don't really want to wear too much makeup, but you just want a little bit of a glow and just to boost your confidence a little bit. 2 of these products have been gifted to me today by a brand called Merit, and I cannot wait to try them. So I'm going to be giving you guys my honest review of these. But the first one is this. This is the Merit Day Glow Highlighting Balm, and wait until you see the colour of this. How stunning is that? Like, that I am going to be obsessed with, I can already tell. But the second one is this, and that is the Merit Signature Lip. I got this one in the colour Baby just because it's super natural. I don't always go very out there with my lipstick, but I know that's going to just make my lips stand out that little bit more, and I can't wait to try these on. I will link everything in the description box, so do make sure you check that out before you leave. And without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So for step 1, I would say to prep your skin. That would just be to like cleanse your face, use your regular moisturizer. If it has got a bit of a tint, that's fine. You can always then apply like a BB cream or a tiny bit of a light foundation as well, just to like give your face a little bit of a base. But now we're going to be going in with this one. This is the Merit Day Glow Highlighting Balm, and this is perfect for day and night. It's just going to give you that dewy look without making your skin sparkle basically. And I'm going to apply this sort of where you would contour. I'm just going to apply like a generous amount all over, a little bit on my nose. I'm actually going to be doing a little bit on my collarbone as well, just to sort of give me that gorgeous little lift. I'm super excited for this, by the way. So I'm actually going to be using their blending brush too. So it is nice and new. How gorgeously does that blend? That is incredible. And it feels super lightweight too. Sorry, but I am obsessed with this product already. That is so lightweight, easy to blend, and look how natural but stunning that looks. Oh my gosh. Just make sure everything is blended nicely. Go onto my collarbone. I actually might put a little bit of this like on my shoulders as well, just to... How gorgeous is this product? Sorry, but this is my new favorite brand. Everything feels so premium and well made as well. Sort of obsessed. Like, I've literally only got this product on right now. How does my skin look like that? Incredible. You can like apply as much or as little as you want as well, which I really like, and it is buildable too. But I'm also going to apply some to my eyelid and give me like a little bit of like a sort of smoky eye effect. So now I'm going to be going in with the Merit lipstick. So again, this is in colour Baby. That is so natural, but do you know what I mean? Like, it just gives your lips a little bit of something. This is like incredible, like 2 products on my face right now. And the final product I'm going to be using is the Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes, just because I haven't found a better mascara yet. But I will definitely be investing in some from Merit, because if their products are this good quality, I'm heading there next. This is crazy. 3 products on my skin right now. I'm just gonna add a little bit more to my, oops. Hopefully that comes out. And just like, this brush by the way is incredible, like it blends so well. I love it. How gorgeous is that like dewy glow? Can you see that shine? That is incredible. And how much more my collarbone is standing out right now. New favourite products. I will link everything in the description box down below, like I said. But if you do like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of my future hauls. It is free to subscribe and you can unsubscribe at any point, but honestly, all your support means so much and it allows me to get all this content out for you. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you next video.